Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the two-factor authentication on your Pinterest account, on your Pinterest app, on your mobile phone, and a step-by-step guide. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. How to turn off your two-factor authentication, double verification on your Pinterest account, because every time you just log in, it will ask you about the OTP or your phone number to enter some codes. So to turn off this, click on the three dot option on the business account and click on the profile on the normal account. Just go inside the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you have to click on the option called security. Just swipe down. You just need to find it on the login section, and here the option called security. Click on this. After click on the security, you can see the two-factor authentication has been turned on. So this make your account secure, and you just need to enter the secret codes that we text you phone each time you log in. So I just need to turn this off. Just tap on it. So now you just need to confirm your password here. So I just going to enter my password. So after entering password, click on the next. So your two-factor authentication has been turned off. This is the way that you can just turn off your two-factor authentication on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.